The third-generation Range Rover, known internally as the L322, made its debut in 2001 and quickly earned respect for its clean lines, understated luxury, and robust engineering. Nearly 25 years later, an Estonian company named Velvet Motorworks is breathing new life into this modern classic, creating a bespoke revival that feels both older and newer at the same time. This project is not just about restoring an aging SUV to its former glory. Instead, Velvet Motorworks aims to reimagine the L322 by blending retro styling elements, premium modern touches, and mechanical upgrades. The result is what founder Mihkel Külaots calls a revival of a modern classic. Külaots, who was captivated by the Range Rover as a teenager in the early 2000s, explained that these vehicles deserve more than just a standard restoration. They deserve character, individuality, and renewed prestige. On the exterior, the design team has leaned into a retro-futuristic aesthetic. The updated L322 wears custom LED lighting with distinctive round elements, a grille with vertical slats inspired by early Range Rover models, and bumpers that nod to the brand's rugged off-road past. A lifted stance paired with larger wheels gives the SUV a stronger, more assertive presence. The styling feels like a respectful nod to the original Range Rover, while still giving the vehicle a unique modern personality. Inside, although images haven't yet been shared, Velvet Motorworks promises a handcrafted cabin blending premium materials with the latest technology. Buyers can expect Apple CarPlay, advanced driver assistance systems, and tailored finishes, ensuring that each build feels as unique as its owner. This balance between luxury and tech ensures the SUV stays relevant in 2025 and beyond. The upgrades don't stop at looks and comfort. Velvet Motorworks plans to begin with a complete teardown and restoration of the chassis before adding performance enhancements. The L322 models used for this revival will feature the Jaguar-sourced 4.2-liter supercharged V8, originally rated at 400 horsepower. With additional hardware and software tweaks, that output will rise even further. To top it off, a selectable active exhaust system will add drama and character to the driving experience, allowing owners to switch between refined cruising and full-throttle roar. The focus isn't just on raw performance, though. The company emphasizes that the driving feel will remain analog, keeping the soul of the L322 intact while improving handling and comfort with modern engineering solutions. In other words, it won't lose its Range Rover essence, it will simply evolve. Currently, these reimagined L322 Range Rovers exist only as 3D renderings created by CGI artist Nils Pirma, known for his work with Koenigsegg and Genesis. However, Velvet Motorworks has committed to building the first prototype by mid-2026, with customer deliveries expected by late 2026. Production will be extremely limited, with each example built to order in Estonia. Pricing hasn't been announced, but given the bespoke nature of the project, it's safe to assume exclusivity comes with a premium price tag. Velvet Motorworks' approach is intriguing. Unlike most Restomods that bring vintage icons into the modern world, this project takes a more unusual route, making a modern classic feel retro while also pushing it forward. It's a unique reinterpretation of a vehicle that many enthusiasts already consider one of the finest luxury SUVs of its era. For fans of the Range Rover, this could be the ultimate way to own a piece of history, reborn with craftsmanship, technology, and individuality.